Conservative celebs and others raised the money to get Kyle Rittenhouse out of jail after his bail was set at $2 million in November 2020. That cash is now up for grabs. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For this video, we will discover Kyle Rittenhouse's former attorney's feud over his $2 million bail. But before anything else, please leave a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell down below so you won't miss our videos. Without any further ado, let's hop on right to the video. Kyle Rittenhouse's high-profile murder trial ended in an acquittal, but the legal battle over his $2 million bail money is just getting started. Rittenhouse's defense team submitted a motion to have the Illinois youngster receive the bail money gathered on his behalf as soon as the jury in Kenosha, Wisconsin, found him not guilty. However, a non-profit founded by defamation lawyer and QAnon conspiracy believer Lynn Wood has filed a demand for the funds as well. After the verdict, Rittenhouse attorney Mark Richards commented, "There's going to be a fight over it." The money was raised after Rittenhouse's bail was set at a whopping $2 million in November 2020, after a court official determined that Rittenhouse's heavy prospective sentence and probable supporters made him a flight risk. Conservative celebs like Wood jumped into action to help Rittenhouse get out of jail before his trial. Now that Rittenhouse is out of bond, the debate is about who deserves to receive the money. Wood's Fight Back Foundation argues it is entitled to the bail money because it raised the majority of it, including a $150,000 loan from former Silver Spoon's child star, Ricky Schroeder. Wood claims he guaranteed the loan, which means he'd be responsible for repaying it if that's the case. Wood argued in an interview with the Daily Beast that the money is rightfully entitled to his non-profit. Aside from the $2 million bails, Wood alleges his company spent $700,000 on attorney's fees and other expenses for Rittenhouse. The bail money has to be returned in its entirety to Fight Back, he said. Rittenhouse ripped against both Wood and another former Rittenhouse attorney, John Pierce, in his first post-verdict interview with Fox News' Tucker Carlson, which aired Monday night, claiming he was taken advantage of by both men. According to Rittenhouse, Pierce persuaded him that returning home right away was not a good idea, and that he'd be safer in jail than with his family. He further claimed that Wood and Pierce were only trying to raise money so they could take it for their own benefit, rather than releasing him. The 18-year-old also claimed that he could have been released on bond as early as mid-September, but that his lawyers wanted to keep him locked up until November 20th, in order to continue receiving donations. Rittenhouse also criticised Pierce for making the blatantly false assertion that he was in an unorganised militia, in addition to slamming pro-Trump attorneys for trying to profit off his name. Rittenhouse said he had no idea what a militia was until he was bailed out, but later learned it was Pierce who painted that narrative. Wood responded to the claims made on Carlson's Monday primetime show by telling the Daily Beast that somebody has fed Kyle misinformation, for whatever reason. Pierce did not respond to a request for comment on the Rittenhouse interview right away. Wood said that his group put up large sums of money to keep the boy out of jail prior to the Rittenhouse interview. In addition to making the $2 million bail, Fight Back paid about $700,000 for his attorney's fees and expenses of litigation, including spending money to produce the videotape that was kind of the start to finish of what happened, Wood said in a call Monday afternoon. The complete bail money was delivered to the court by then Rittenhouse lawyer Pierce, which included $500,000 from Rittenhouse's mother, Wendy Rittenhouse. Pierce was removed from Rittenhouse's legal team in February, but he still has the bail receipt, so it would most likely go to him. Pierce has had his share of debts, and he was recently in the news as the go-to lawyer for riot defendants who mysteriously fled on January 6th. Pierce, on the other hand, maintains he doesn't want any of the Rittenhouse money. Pierce urged a federal court in Texas to decide who should receive the money before he uses the receipt to take it out of the Wisconsin court in a November 8th court filing. Pierce claimed in his motion that he's concerned that if he takes the money out before the legal conflict is resolved, he may face lawsuits from one of the feuding parties. "I have no view on who should get the bail money back," Pierce told the Daily Beast in an email. Wood, who was once a well-known defamation lawyer, has recently embraced conspiracy theories such as QAnon. He alleged, without evidence, that Chief Justice John Roberts is part of a deadly paedophile plot in late December. A contractor sued a firm connected to Wood in March over work done on a South Carolina plantation Wood owns. The contractor claimed that Wood's company failed to pay his costs for construction work on the Temotli plantation. "We followed the law," Wood said. "Other people might be wanting to make money off Kyle, but not Fight Back." That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.